everybody!
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a little special guest.
Hello!
This is my beautiful daughter Marianne, and we decided to do a slime video. God, no, we don't coordinate at all.
I'm gonna go against her, and she's gonna go against mine. So we're gonna see who does the best slime.
That's correct. So we're gonna compete against each other, and you guys will be the judge. Tell us who did it better. I have no clue how to make slime, so I'm just gonna copy her.
You can't copy me. Our ingredients are gonna be starting with glue, shaving cream, some glittery metallic paint for our slime coloring.
We're gonna start with some glue, and this one is washable glue.
I think we're gonna have to open this because, okay. So, can you help me? Yeah, I'll help you. Okay, how do we take this? Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna wait for you to start. Okay, so we're gonna
Add the glue. I don't know how much glue we need. I don't know. But we're just gonna try and see how it's gonna turn out.
Whoa! This has a lot of glue.
Wow, that's pretty good. Okay, so I'm gonna say about that.
I think it's about how much glue you add.
Okay, so mine is gonna be smaller. For sure.
So we're gonna put some shaving cream.
Okay, shaving cream. Oh my god, you're scared. Wow, okay.
Ooh.
Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys. I use this much glue.
I used shaving cream and glue. Now I'm gonna mix that.
I'm gonna go ahead and use the shaving cream now. What? Okay.
We're going to be adding some detergent into our slime.
Okay.
how much you need. You tell me. Okay, I'll tell you when to stop. Yeah, stop. Okay, so I'm gonna add the same. Okay.
Guys, we're not really calculating these, so we might be using too much. We might be using too little, but
I hope this video doesn't fail.
I'm gonna go ahead and mix that. It's kind of like a greenish. Yep. Okay. Oh, yours looks pretty good.
I'm gonna probably put some more detergent. Oh, whoa.
that looks good.
So slimy. So slimy. Ah, this feels so gross. Mine is almost there, but I think I may need a little bit more glue.
Just a little bit.
Two.
Should we put the
More detergent
Should we put the paint before or after?
after.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Hey. Really?
I've been mixing this thing and I don't know how to feel about it.
Mine's is really so fluffy. I think I made fluffy slime.
What? This looks like a monster.
We both made fluffy slime.
Okay.
So I think we need to stir a little bit more, and we'll go ahead and use the colors.
We said we were gonna play a game for the colors. We're gonna put the colors here, and then one person closes their eyes, either one of us, and then we pick a color. And that color is the color that our slime is gonna be.
Yep, so you can go ahead and start first.
Okay.
Let me just mix. Please close your eyes.
Okay.
Hey. Now pick a color.
Okay.
Pick a color.
Where are they? I'm gonna go with this one.
Yes.
Metallic blue.
At least you didn't get this one. Okay.
Yeah, that's the one I wanted. Okay, you go ahead and close your eyes. Ready?
Yes.
Pick.
Ah!
Do you actually close your
Yes,
eyes?
I did.
Oh my god, lucky girl. Okay.
Yeah. I'm gonna be using this color. This glittery purple.
This is how it looks like without mixing it.
Oh.
Looks pretty cool. Yeah, I'm gonna add mine. Oh my. And this is how mine looks like without mixing it. Now we're gonna go ahead and mix that.
Yours looks already cool. Can I use some of yours too? Why? Because I want to give it more colors to mine. Just a little bit. Just very little. Okay, sure. Can I use a little bit of yours? Of course. Okay, there you go. So we're just gonna alternate. We're gonna use a, oh, shit, that was too much. We're gonna use a little bit of hers, and she's gonna use a little bit of mine. And what is this? Whoa, this is a very cool purple.
It's more like a unicorn color.
That looks definitely like an unicorn. Okay.
Unicorn colors, unicorn slime. Yay!
Okay, mine looks like a weird blue.
I forgot to make some.
Okay, I don't know about these, you guys. This is really weird. It's like, I feel like I have to mix this so much. It's like when you're making a cake and you gotta mix it and mix it and mix it until you get a really good texture. I feel like yours looks way better than mine. She's a master at doing slimes.
Yeah, I should make some of my own videos.
She definitely should make her own video. Okay, whoa. It
A
feels so
little
good,
bit
though.
of more glue because I think it needs to be a little more stickier.
Wow, this is pretty cool.
Oh, whoa. Hers is more stretchier than mine. Can I feel yours right now?
Oh, it's actually, oh my god, look at these.
Oh my god. Can I feel
Oh
yours?
my god, this is amazing.
Can I feel?
Okay, can I feel yours?
Oh my gosh, hers is so much better. Oh.
No. But what you have to do is you have to mix it. And mix it and mix it.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm not done mine yet, but she looks like hers. She's just so fluffy. Do you know how to make a bubble?
No.
So for making a bubble, you gotta stretch it.
Mm-hmm.
Stretch it like that.
Okay.
Keep on stretching it. Yeah, like dough, like
Oh,
pizza dough.
mine is... Okay, let's do it.
Oh, make sure there's no holes.
Okay.
Oh, I don't think I can do this.
And so how do you do the bubble? I'm really,
You
really
you have to
curious.
make a little big one, and you have to flip it on the to the table.
Oh, I see. Okay. Is that it?
Yep. You can't do that.
I can't do it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Like this video. Give it a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in my next video.
Bye.
Bye.